Let's talk about immediate provisionals for implant cases. There are so many different ways to approach this. We've seen them over the years. You know, a shell of a crown, or a denture tooth with a hole, or maybe a matrix and suck down and backfilling with LuxaTemp, that type of thing. Or maybe it's sending it off to a lab and having it fabricated really quickly. So many different options, but all those options are good, okay, but they're not great. And something that's great is something called GuidedTEMP. GuidedTEMP is a product that follows the surgical guide. So you place the surgical guide, put your implant in, put the part on, and then the same file is used, but this time instead of holding a sleeve, it's holding a tooth or teeth or a bridge or multiple unit bridge with many sites in it. And it rests on teeth and it slides right over the temp cylinders, and you just simply lute the temp cylinders to the teeth and then unscrew, take off, clean up, and deliver. Now, you can't get easier than that. We've made thousands of these cases. Doctors love them, but we think you should give it a try, because all those other steps are either time-consuming or they require quite a bit of work chairside, when really what you want to do is pick up, adjust, send your patient home. That's GuidedTEMP.